Hello guys, I'm Liu, and today I'm talking about the Ant Group's first step of IPO. So firstly, let's talk about terminologies. So firstly is about the value of stock right. The value of stock right refers to the book balance of equity investment minus the provision for impairment of the investment. And the book balance of the equity investment includes the investment cost and equity investment balance. The second one is about placing. The placing refers to what when new shares are issued, investors voluntarily apply for the new shares according to the market value of the listed securities they hold. The third one is about stock taking. It refers to the subscription of shares by investors through the fund manager and its designated selling agency. So the last one is about the share listing. Stock listing refers to the legal act of publicly listing and trading stock in the stock exchange after being approved by the stock exchange. So what happened? So we know that the Ant groups are going to get his IPO in the future days. So the initial public offering of this group is expected to rise like 30 billions, and IPO will be the biggest in this year and maybe the biggest in the history of China. And Group seeks to reach a valuation of 200 billion to 300 billions. That's more than most global banks and 3 to 4 times the value of Goldman Sachs equity. So why did it happen? Firstly, I think that financial want a better public opinion environment than any group. So the Ant Financial want to get rid of Adi. Adi's reputation in China is not so particularly good, and listing now can bring Ant Financial a better public opinion environment. And the second one is about the absorb more resources. If limited to the Adi group, ants are always smaller than Adi after the separation and financial service can serve more business and people, not only Alibaba system, but also more token resources. This is of great benefit to the growth of ants in the long run. So the third one is about to get the support of the Chinese government. Like Chinese government now need a big and a great financial technology company to have IPO in Chinese stock market. So about the potential impacts. Firstly, I think objectively it has promoted the development of Chinese financial industry. And the second one is about the influence. It represents that Ali will gradually increase his influence on offline scenes in China. Like Ali have a great influence in China, but it's more about the online part, and now it's also about the offline scenes. And the third one is about Chinese needing technology stock will be rose in the short term. Because according to the successful IPO, like the market will think they give a lower price for many Chinese, the leading technology government. So the price of this government will be rose. The last one is the advantage. In the long term, financial technology enterprises in China will have more advantages than the traditional financial companies. So about my opinion, if I have chance, I will want to buy the end stock, because in the future it will have a very stable and a very big number of the cash flow. And the second one is about, I know that the excellent companies will be recognized by the market and will get a higher price to the book ratio. Thank you so much. That's all of my presentation.